Hey there! Today we'll learn with Outgrow how to reduce bias in your content and track where your users are coming from, all in just a few simple steps. Log into your Outgrow dashboard and open the content piece you'd like to edit. First up, let's talk about randomization and order logic. When you're creating quizzes, surveys, or forms, the order of questions or answer options can sometimes influence user responses. That's where randomization comes in. Inside Outgrow, you can easily fix this. Under the Build tab, go to Settings and toggle on Randomize. Simply tick the checkbox and you're done. It also allows you to limit the number of sections and slides. This is perfect when you want to keep your experience dynamic and avoid overwhelming your audience. Next, let's move on to something super important for marketers: capturing UTMs and source data. Once your campaign is live, you'll want to know where your traffic is coming from. To view this, head over to Analyze and then go to User Details. On the right-hand side, click on View, and here you'll see all UTM parameters. These include UTM source, which tells you where your traffic is coming from, UTM medium, the type of channel like email or CPC, UTM campaign, the specific campaign name, UTM term, the keywords used, UTM content, what exactly the user clicked on. This gives you a complete picture of your audience journey. Now let's see how to use these UTMs in your integrations. Go to Configure, then Integrations, and click on Incoming Data. This data can be used to auto-populate fields or give you the flexibility to use it within your experience. You can map your UTM parameters like source, medium, or campaign to the fields in your marketing tools. You can also do the same under Outgoing data. Simply toggle on UTM and select the parameters you want to pass along. This ensures all your marketing tools stay in sync with accurate tracking data. And that's it. Reduce bias, improve user experience, and get deeper insights into your audience, all in one place. Ready to get started? Sign up for your 7-day free trial today and start building high-performing interactive experiences with Outgrow.